Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your BMW 3 Series brake pad light. First, ensure you have replaced the worn brake pads and the brake wear sensor. This is crucial, as the light will not reset if the old sensor is still in place or if the pads are not new. The front sensor is usually on the driver's side, and the rear sensor is on the passenger's side. Let's get started with the steps. To reset the front brake pad light, begin by inserting your key or key fob and turning the ignition to position 2, but do not start the engine. Next, locate the odometer reset button on your instrument cluster. Press and hold this button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds until the service menu appears. Use the BC button on your turn signal stalk to scroll through the menu options until you find the front brake service item. For the rear brake pad light, the process is very similar. Once you are in the service menu, use the BC button to scroll and select the rear brake service item. With the rear brake option highlighted, press and hold the BC button until the word reset appears on the display. Release the button, then immediately press and hold it again until a check mark or a new mileage value confirms the reset is complete. Turn off the ignition to save the changes. Remember, replacing the brake wear sensor is essential, as it's designed to wear out with your pads. If the light doesn't reset, double-check all sensor connections and wiring for any damage or improper installation. Sometimes, a simple restart of the car can help. If issues continue, professional diagnosis might be needed. Before you go, remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks, plus other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.